Welcome back to Slim Comics and More. So today I am going to open up this blaster box here. This is the Topps Heritage 2022 baseball. So what you have here, 72 total cards per box, bringing back the 1973 Topps design. See, here is the ratios. A little bent up, but hopefully I can get some good cards out of this one. But I'm going to show what I picked up during my Walmart hunting. So I picked up this one here. This is the Nash. This is Compact Kings of 1 out of 5. Very nice casting, very cool. Cool looking model. Very nice design. So that is the Nash. Alright, picked up this one here. This is from M2 Machines. This is Moon equipped. And this is the 49 Mercury Custom. Very cool looking flames. Awesome design. I like the Mercury. The Mercuries are cool classic cars. Nice casting on this one as well. Moon equipped in the back there. Very cool. Yeah, great looking Mercury. Nice flames as well. Nice yellow flames and red. Very cool car. So that is the Moon equipped. Okay, and the next M2 is this Hellcat SRT. So this is the Plymouth Hamakuta 71. Very cool casting. I like that cat design there. Very cool. Great looking muscle car. Yeah, very cool. 1971 on the back there. So that is the 71 Plymouth Hamakuta. Nice car design. Right there. Alright, let's get into this box right here. Everybody's having a good Tuesday. See what we can get out of this box. So look for real autographs and relic cards. So we'll see what we can get. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. Alright, let's start from this one. Yeah, if you haven't yet, yeah, please click subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Okay, alright, here we go. This is Yan Gomes, Cubs. These cards are very cool, classic looking and very thick card stock. Aaron Nola, J.P. Crawford, Wilson Contreras, Garrett Cole, Lane Thomas. It's a backwards card. This one looks like a short print. Eldon Diaz. number 409. Okay, got a Jarren Duran rookie card. And Max Kepler. Alright, next pack. Okay, Julio Urias. Alex Kirilloff. Got 2021 stolen base leaders. A rookie of Vidal Brujan. A Mason Thompson rookie card. Got a Hyunjin Ryu. Got a flashback at an Eagle. 73 endangered species, Act half. That's cool. Okay, Yadier Molina. And 2021 strikeout leaders. Alright, on to the next one. Got a Josh Hader, Tyler Quinn, Blake Snell, Lorenzo Cain. There we go. Got a Shohei Ohtani. Got a Boba Fett. Nope. Got a Jordan Montgomery. Card of Jake Berger. And Carlos Santana. Okay, got a Ryan Ulad. Rookie card. Got a Luke Voigt. Rookie card of Nick Fortes. Got Logan Gilbert. Jose Siri, rookie card. Justin Upton. Got a, looks like another backwards card of number 495. This is a Paul Stanton Seawold. So these might be the short prints. Okay, got a Brandon Crawford and Ian Anderson. Alright. Nothing out of the ordinary yet. Nothing that really pops. Alright, rookie card, rookie pitchers 2021. A Alex Wood, Charlie Blackmon, DJ Stewart, Jose Ramirez. We got a comic card, career highlights of Pete Alonso. These are cool comic cards. Okay, you got a New Age Performers, Jazz Chisholm Jr. That's a nice one. Okay, you got a Freddie Galvis and Patrick Corbin. Alright, next pack. Kyle Farmer. Tim Anderson, Drew Rickson, Profar, Nick Pavita, got a Miles Straw, Oh, nice. I got a relic. There's a clubhouse collection of Aaron Nola. Very nice. That's cool. Game used memorabilia. Nice relic card. Pretty thick too. There you go. So that's a nice one. Joey Gallo and a Yu Chang. Alright, next pack. So I didn't get an autograph, but I got a relic, so not bad. Okay, next one is a Paul DeJong, Brandon Lowe, Casey Mize, Michael Conforto, Chris Taylor, Ozzy Albies. Looks like a short print, 460. This is a John Edward King. Backwards card. Got a Harrison Bader and Eric Haas. Okay, last pack. So no Wander Franco. Alright, got a Nicky Lopez, Kyle Tucker, Bobby Bradley, stuck here. Got a Lance Lynn, John Lester, Christian Vasquez. Nice. Got a flashback. Got a Ryan throws no hitter versus Tigers. Nolan Ryan, that's nice. Nice looking card. Okay, got a Mike Yastrzemski. And last card is a Harold Ramirez. Alright, a decent pack, decent box. Got a nice relic of Aaron Nola. Got a flashback of Nolan Ryan, Shohei Ohtani, and Bo Bichette. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll talk to you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.